హాయ్ ఎవ్రీబడి. సో ఈ వీడియో వచ్చి మనం ఎలా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ చేయాలి ఫుల్ స్టాక్ పైథాన్ మీద. సో ఫుల్ స్టాక్ పైథాన్ నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. ఫుల్ స్టాక్ పైథాన్లో ఎలా ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేయాలో చూద్దాం. సో లెట్స్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ హౌ టు do the project on full stack python. So which is mainly we are using the real time application, real time problems, so that we have to solve by using of this some of the tools that we have right now. So we have Codex and Anti-gravity, and also we have apart from the anti-gravity we also have anti-gravity. This is the first one, which is Codex, and then anti-gravity we also can use. There is one cursor. So these all are the tools that we have. So let's do one thing. So first of all, before going to do that, first we'll design one project. So what is the project name? Project name might, you can see the project name as study, online study. So there is online study, online study. So basically this online study which we can use for the self study. Mainly this is using for to uploading our documents. So uploading our documents, read wherever it is possible, and to make the plans, mainly to make the to make to make the plans. The plans means to make the like study. So let's discuss about how to do this. First of all, we need to go to the Gemini or any of the tool. Gemini loki ellali. First one, just click on this. So here we have Gemini tool. So let's discuss about first one, full stack Python. As we already know, this full stack Python is follow the MVT architecture. So let's discuss about create case study of online self-study for adult learners. So which is mainly using for the self-study. We can use for the study online courses, progress, and uploading the subject document and to-do list. Okay, using of which technologies? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, Django, SQLite. So basically మనం ఇలా we have to write it down. So once you write this one, you will get it like this. So this is nexus learn. So in this nexus learn is the name. It is a case study. Problem statement is information is overloaded. See, many people చాలా మంది ఏంటంటే కరికులం ట్రాకింగ్ కానీ పర్సనల్ ప్రొడక్టివిటీ కోసం మనం యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో యూజింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వీ కెన్ రిజిస్టర్ ఫర్ ద కోర్స్ అండ్ మానిటర్ ద కోర్స్, and we also make the to-do list. So which is mainly MVT architecture, and this is all. So let's ask this one, create create the prompt to complete the complete see to complete the project step by step by applying 4 prompts on Codex. So I'm using Codex right now. So Codex is this is the platform, OpenAI platform anamata Codex that we can use. So here this is the Codex platform. So basically we can use this Codex platform. We are trying this model medium. So large, extra large and high large that we have. There are different ways. So let's ask 4 prompts on Codex. First one is, see everybody, these are the 4 prompts that we have, right? So let's implement one by one. First prompt, so create to build the AI coder, like it's a follow the step by step. So ask Codex to do this. Okay, to get the Codex, so waiting for the output. So basically we are using setup of the project. So act like a senior. First one is copy this first one. So I'll write each and every prompt for you, and please understand. First we need to copy this one, okay, this one, and put this for the word, put it into the word, okay, word document. So simply what should you do? First one is, this is the first one. So what is the first prompt? Using of the Codex. So first one, to copy this one. So what should we do? We need to do, as a senior developer, I need to build the online case study portal, Django and SQLite. So let's open this one. Open the file, open folder, downloads. So in this downloads, study project with Django, self-study, online self-study, like you can take anything of the thing, online self-study. Open this one. So we are just waiting here to do that. See everybody, let's write the code. See, this is the Codex, okay, this plugins that we have. So in the left side you can see the plugins. Student, if plugins ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ మనం ఏది కావాలంటే అది మనం యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. వరుసలని ఒకటి ఉంటుంది డిప్లాయ్ చేయడానికి. గిట్హబ్ కూడా మనం లింక్ చేసుకోవాలి. చేసుకున్న తర్వాత మనం ఏదైతే యాప్ని యూజ్ చేసుకుంటున్నామో, చాట్ జీపీటీ యాప్ అయితే చాట్ జీపీటీ యాప్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం ఫస్ట్ వన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ దిస్ వన్. సో రెండర్ కావాలంటే రెండర్ కూడా ఇట్స్ అ హోస్టింగ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్. రెండర్ యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్ directly using of these plugins. So plugin is installed. So let me tell you, మనం డైరెక్ట్గా can go directly study project. Let's see, go on search new chart. Okay, study with Django, this is the folder that we have. So click on this and write it down. Click on the send. So see here everybody, open Visual Studio Code is there here. We also have the cursor, we also have the anti-gravity. This is all we have. So invalid error, not supported to using the code zip. Okay, let's see. Hi, we'll do the same. Still we are getting low. GPT-4. Yeah, now GPT-4, which is low. So we have here 10 percentage of that we have used till now. We have 26k tokens, and 26k tokens that we have used, 258 tokens that we have left. See, waiting to approve. Yes, you have to click the yes. This is the platform, Codex platform. So basically, before that, we have to install the Codex from here. Codex for the AI. This is the OpenAI. So we have to install this way. See, Codex. Download for Windows. See, this is downloaded. Once you have downloaded, you can see this interface. This interface is exactly like this. This is the logo, and you can see every time it is asking yes or yes, like this way. So open the Visual Studio Code directly. You can see the changes that are happen in this portal as well directly. Yes, click on yes. I am uploaded already. I am already installed this Codex application. You also can get the Codex application here. It is still installing from the Codex. Let's see here. I think you may get this one. So you need to click 2 times and try to install it in your system. It is look like Microsoft store. In this store only you can see the Codex application. Okay. So every time you need to see this one and click on this yes. So we are in the first phase right now. So let me tell you this, we are in the first phase. In the first phase, what exactly we are doing is prompt 1 we have written, act as a senior Python developer. I need to build the online study portal. It is mainly used for the course name, subject documents, and today's task, and basically provide the settings. This one, okay. This is the first prompt. So once we are completed this prompt, once we completed this one all, you also can check parallelly with Visual Studio Code. See everybody, just look on this. Just look on this. So before you are installing this SQLite, so try to use SQLite viewer. See, this is the SQLite viewer. It is look like this blue color, and this is the, so see, this is the one we need to use. Next one. See, look at the screen. This is the Codex. I also registered install application and Python manage.py to check successfully. So let me check with the Visual Studio Code. So we are completed till now. So let me open this one. Control J. Terminal open cheyali. New terminal. New terminal. So what is our project name? CD. Look at the screen, everybody. Where is the manage.py? Manage.py is inside of the study project with Django. So we can directly use Python manage.py run server. Why I am writing this one? Why? Because I don't have any of the virtual environment. Because if you are created with the virtual environment, you can try to use. Otherwise, you can directly use it like this way. See, let me check. This is the one. So we have used this first one. So is there anything else is written here? Only they are used view like URLs, and this is not even did anything. So only this the first prompt is about field name and course name and all, and models also created, models also you can check course, get progress, and subject documents and all tasks. Because first of all manamu we can go directly to understand this MVT. First one is a model we are done. Till now we are completed the model is completed. See here, look at the models. Here this is the project, this is the application, and admin also it is not registered yet. So till now model we have done. So let's check right now what is the second prompt. Let's apply the second prompt now. Prompt 2. Now write this one. Copy and paste it here. Click on this send. So here we already used ChatGPT plus. You have usage limit is completed till now. Let's do another model. No, again 1125. See everybody, if you facing anything, go to the anti-gravity directly. Go to anti-gravity, click on this. See, this is the anti-gravity. If you have the anti-gravity in your system, you can directly open this one. Anti-gravity is also same. Anti-gravity is also a same like the already we have mentioned. I have completed my limits. This is OI. This is not, but you can use the flash. This is the second prompt I am applying. This is everything like Visual Studio Code. Chala varaku Visual Studio Code lagane untundi. Codex nunchi I am directly using this anti-gravity to my application to complete. So Visual Studio Code lo kuda meer chudochu. So whatever the things are happening here, Visual Studio Code lo kuda మనం check చేసుకోవచ్చు. Forms that we have created, forms.py, dashboard view, some server issue, continue. So if there is any server issue, we need to write to to proceed the server request again. To get server request to be continued at this moment. So views also we have done. Accept it. URLs also accept it. retry, accept all. You can use the endpoint with the toggle of toggle task. So let me see here. So we have already done few of the things. Let's again run this one. So dashboard.html that we haven't completed. So this is completed the logic layer. Logic layer means views. MBT. So as we discussed, a model V is completed. Viewer layer is completed. Viewer layer is completed. Viewer means logic. View. Second one, this is completed. Second one and third one. Third one is about. See, let's check. User interface. User interface. Copy to build the dashboard. So let's copy this one. You can directly use here. Click on this. So now you can see the HTML pages. So template folders that we can see. So one by one process that we have. Okay. The prompt, last prompt is about interaction. Prompt 4. Let's accept all. Accept all. Accept all. This is toggle switch. This is all are the URLs. Okay. Everything is URL here, and templates also created. Dashboard is created. Accept all. So they are created the dashboards right now. So completed all the aspects that here mentioned. So let's check this one. Refresh this page. Refresh again. Let's, yeah, there is some internal error. Run the code. Run the code using terminal. So using terminal, just run the code. So we can run by using of this Visual Studio Code, or else we can use this anti-gravity tool. So migration has completed. We have can see authentication user, login user successful and all. And the next one is study today task, study hub courses and all. So this is the manage.py. Manage.py. So let's look at the screen. Manage.py, create the super user. So add the data. So add data via this one. So let's click on this. Admin, create the super user, right? We haven't created any super user. Let me check. First one is open the link. Open the link, refresh the page. So this is the actual scenario of this one. Library that we have, upload the manual, like upload the material. So let's upload one material here. So let's upload one material from this data analysis. Yeah, data analysis study preparation. Okay, library, it is added. The next one is add to library. Okay, see here, self-studying portal. So this is till now we have done. So basically we can also use admin panel. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి, we have the admin panel, create the super server and all. So I am using this one link. The next one, python manage.py create superuser. So using of this one, we can upload the data from the database from the admin panel. So how to use this one? Control C, Control V. Python manage.py create superuser for the admin panel. Next one, I am using that admin as admin @gmail.com, admin @123. This admin password is hidden. Password చాలా hidden గా ఉంటుంది. మనం ఏంటంటే ప్రాపర్ గా వాడాలి. admin @123. సో 2 ఆర్ సిమిలర్, ఎస్ ఆర్ కంటిన్యూ, రెండు కూడా పాస్వర్డ్లో ఒకటే ఎంటర్ చేయాలి. సో మనం క్రియేట్ చేసాం సూపర్ యూజర్ని. సూపర్ యూజర్ ఎందుకంటే నేను చెప్తాను. సూపర్ యూజర్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్, సో వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ క్లిక్ ఆన్ దిస్, this is the normal dashboard. So let's click on this admin panel. So admin, you can access admin directly, admin 123. So in this admin 123 we have users. So user is there. So let's create the groups also available. So the last one, let's check last one. So interaction between the app, it is showing that post and request toggles and all. Copy this one and mention this terminal. This is the fourth phase. So refining the dashboard using of JavaScript. So we are adding some of the CSS features. Okay, let's see everybody. Let's look on this. Refresh this page. Yeah, refresh this page and you can upload like this way. Upload like this way. It's a document type. So this is the small dashboard, right? This is the very small dashboard. So let's keep it as a simple. We have created all of them, right? We have created till now. So here you can see any of the thing that you can see. So it is giving some, maybe it is a wrong, maybe it is a right. So if you do like this, maybe the problem is you are not completed the whole project. So ఇలా మనం వచ్చినప్పుడు whole project మనం complete చేయలేదు అని అనుకుంటే, write down here as a full stack senior engineer to complete all the project with proper authentication and authorization. So retry. Full stack to complete all the project with authentication authorization. So in this authentication authorization process, let me explain this login Kani register page that you can see in the dashboards right now. If the implementation plan is correct. See, this is the implementation plan. Yes, ready process. Yes with login and register pages. See, these are all the templates that we can see. New templates also can add. So you must add yes, accept all, run, retry again. Run make migrations and migrate. Click on accept all. So click on views that already completed, login and all. Login. See templates also. You can see registration process. Login also completed in this registration page. Click on accept all. Accept all. Accept all. So in this way you can create the whole project from one by one. So here the prompt which is given, it is only related to the courses and all models only, not login and authentication. So once it is giving the case study, basically from the Gmail, I mean this one, this Gemini. So we are again and again we are do from the initial, like from the register and all. See, we have completed till now. Just refresh this page. Refresh చేయాలి. చూడండి లాగౌట్ వచ్చిందా? Click on the login. Next one చూడండి, admin sign in. So you can see here. So daily focus. Today I am focused on maths. Add. So if I completed, so maths gets completed over. So next one is, if you wanted to upload any of the file, you also can upload and add it. You can add directly and click on logout. So if you want to create the new person, let me create Shiva @123, Shiva @123. Click on register. So after register, see here, SIVA Shiva @123. So how can we check this data from the database? Let's look at the screen. Authentication of the users, Shiva @123. Okay, sign in. You will see here right now. So let's write social. Click on the social. Click on this. It is completed. If it is completed, also you can log out it. So admin, right? Click on sign in. Admin maths is completed. And for Shiva is what is completed? Shiva completed social. See, look at the screen. Social we have done. Till now it is completed, right? So if you want to add any of the other features, you can add it. You can add it based on the given task. So using of this, let's ask the ChatGPT again. Authentication and login we have done. Next, go to the, so apart from this given phases, I have completed login and register. Add something which is very important features for dashboard. So let's write it down. So only apart from the given phrases, we have created this one more time blocking and all. So it is giving some prompts which is helping us priority task and all. Create the prompts for dashboard. Yes. So enhance the data schema. We are going to enhance all the data schema, and you can see all the prompts. So let's copy this all. Let's copy this all and add this one. So basically we are written here. We are registration to create the truly professional. So we are using this one. Okay. Let me tell you. The phase one is about adding the focus, courses, subject documents and all, and study sessions. And the next one is login required minimum, uh, minimum login required for the dashboard and upload view, and incremental the progress and this all. And the next one is digital clock and all. Last one is single page application. So if you add this one, it won't able to add all at one place. So try to add the prompt one by one. This is the phase one again. So until or unless you should be complete whole the project. Let's click. In this step by step way you have to complete it. So click on accept all. Codex is completed the complete whole limits. We are right now in this phase. Localhost 8000. Still it is loading, that's why you won't get anything. Okay, just run it. Click on this accept. Accept all. And click on run. Click on run. So when you click on the run, so automatically you can see all the pages should be added one by one in these modules, progress, documents and all. So we are migrations. So here we are using Python make migrations and Python manage.py make migrations. Click on accept. Click on accept again. Click on accept again. Click on run. Python manage.py make migration and make migrations. This is the dashboard views, and we have done all the steps. Let's accept all again. So once you have completed this one, you try to refresh this page. Which is does not work. Why it is does not work? Let me check. Run this task. Yes. So it will run automatically. Yeah. Let's run this one. Let's click on this first. We will also do one more time. Let's click on this. It is showing an error. So there is some error we are getting right from here. Let's open it again. Name of the session is different. So let's do the same. So if there is anything is getting problem, you can directly use this method in this way. Let's click on this now. So once you completed this one now, so we'll directly upload or else we can add. So how much time it is he studied this one? It is mentioned in the level here, 1 second or else 2 minutes, 3 minutes, like this way. So we also can do the second prompt, dashboard view. Second prompt is about the progress view, about some incremental one. Click on this. Ensuring the dashboard only showing the data belonging the login user. So which is related to the course documents. Accept all. Accept all. Accept all. Accept. Once you have completed this accept all, let's see one by one. Let's wait for the dashboard is now fully optimized for the personalized. Okay, let's see, refresh it. Documents that we have added. Let's log in again. 0 minutes, keep going. Okay, fine. The next one is about Dashboard view uses courses, 5 most recent documents and task is priority. Okay. So we have to use this CSS also views that we have completed priority of the task. So front end must be showing in the second one. So let's accept all. Let's try again. So basically we are doing right now, we are increasing the all the like the dashboard design and all. See current time is for Shiva is this one. If you want to start this one, we can start directly. See if you want to add the progress of this new path, you can also do that. So high, medium, low. You can click on this. You will go and click on high and low, medium. So here is a senior scholar. We also can update the document and we also can select the courses. Select the courses. Let's select the course, upload it. There is a course selection is not there, right? So let me tell you. This is Promodoro. We also can use the Promodoro whenever we are utilizing this application. Okay. This is the to-do app. So let me tell you, I wanted to do one small um, the project which we are doing right now. This is the timer, I think. Yeah, 6155. So this is the timer, country time. And let me tell you, this is we need to add. So how can we add? Click on this one. So first you need to add first one. So let's learn about rack, which is a medium or else high learning. So it's low priority. So once you complete it, you can use like this way. Let me tell you, click on URLs. Yeah, mostly it is done. So I detailed all the changes, how you know the work through the mid. So we have completed all the steps. The next one is about this one, third one we have done. Yeah, third one we have done. Last one is about fourth one. Last one is about fourth one. Let's create step by step process. So here we have added some Ajax steps. Refresh it. Here you can see to do we have to for this, and then total focus time, yeah. Course progress, new path, all that we have given. So this is almost we have done till now. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Using of this dashboard, if you want to add anything else, you can add by using of this Gemini. Create the calendar to set the reminder to study the subject, and weekly, monthly, daily progress, and also after uploading any file, I can review using PDF feature wherever it is required. So create the prompt and add any new innovations on this project. So I have given all the design in this Gemini. So I'm asking about how can we use this design to upgrade my project. So it is like incredibly sharp, and you have nailed the command center. That okay, blocking calendar, analytic process, and then interactive learning. So let's see here, prompt 4 and prompt 5, prompt 8 till prompt 8. So let's understand. Till now we have used 4 prompts, right? 4 prompts. This is the 5th prompt. Let's do the 5th prompt. This one. Copy this one. And apply the prompts. Retry. So this is the which prompt? This is the 5th prompt. This is the 5th prompt. Smart study calendar. A smart study calendar. Subject name, start time, end time, view, logic, and all. URLs till 51. So backend is fully wrapped up with the fully calendar UI. So let's see here, everybody. We have already completed few of the things. This is the project productivity mode, new path. No, there is nothing is added. So we'll check what exactly the prompt is. In a 5th prompt, model view logic that we have done, and 5th one is completed. Up to the 6th one, analytic dashboard. So we can add using of this one. Let's accept all. So one by one we need to check. Prompt engineering is nothing but we are applying the correct prompt to get the output. Let's accept all. Click on accept all. Click on accept all again. Here also the dashboard. We can see here the daily units completed at least, and the next Pomodoro session for weekly, monthly, and the front end command center inside that render into the chart. Units completed 24 hours. Click on accept all again. Click on accept all. So here you can see the modern insights upload. Yeah, we have done with the insights now. Refresh it. We have insights. Today's units that we have completed. So there is a task, right? So where we are exactly to be add. Okay. Minutes. Weekly focus based on the Pomodoro. Subject distribution. So we haven't added the subject distribution here. So let me explain one by one. We have a few more that to active the review PDF and all. So let's implement the PDF right away. Click on this. PDF reviewer page. This is. So let's complete it. Let's complete the all the steps. So we have 30, 24, like see weekly progress, how much of monthly progress and all. New path career progress, we do not have anything here. We need to implement one by one. So this is the uploading center, right? So let me share. Once we are done this one, we'll see that. Accept all. Click on accept all. Click on accept all. This is all, it is from the dashboard itself. Click on accept all. Click on accept all. Next, this is go to the recent. Yeah, let's click on this one. Refresh this page. Let's upload the resources. Click on this. Upload it. Courses item is not working here. This is not working. Not working. So here you can see to do. Yeah, click on this one. You can see how much it is done. Let's create the courses. Click on accept all. Click on the add view courses. Create the courses feature directly or dashboard. You can stand accept all. We can upload wherever the document that we have. So this, if the feature is ready, we will be implementing more and more features here. So let's done. So we have done this upload the sources. Let's create my first course. HTML not codex. Let's take codex. Codex. Total units are, let's take 5 units. Create the path. So once you create the path, new path, let's create the courses. Okay. Oh. So how can I check the courses productivity now? So let's see. Next one is AI driven ads that are repetitive for each day and logic that we can apply. Next, review date and all. This is the algorithm implementation. Yeah, the course activity we have done. Start course codex. Okay. Next one, to upload any of the document related to this one, upload it.